Here we have the new Magnum FS paper folding machine. It's a benchtop folder, do single fold or double folds, so it'll do letter fold as in the U fold or Z fold for mail outs and things. Ideal small folder for copy shops, printers, offices and schools and colleges alike. Very easy to use. Simply load your paper stock. It will take up to A3 size paper. Lift the lever. We have all the paper sizes on the chart on the machine that correspond to the easy setup here. In this case we'll do a standard letter fold to start. Test button. Do one sheet. We can have a look at it just to check the fold is what we want. If we need to adjust, there's micro adjusters on at the end of each fold plate to make any small adjustments. Once we're happy, we can press the start button and the counter will start to go. Stop, hit the stop button. Secondly, if we just show you how quick and easy it is to move from a double fold, we're just doing a letter fold. We'll do a single fold this time. Top fold plate we cut off. The lower fold plate we put on the size for an A4 in half, and we'll hit the test button. Just have a quick check on the test. Yes, that looks good. We're good to go. It's as simple as that to change. If you have any further questions on folding or folding machines, fold types, please do give us a ring at Chilvers Reprographics.